Got this camera phone holder. I had one that falling off. Let me see. One that was always falling off. It was a suction cup. You can see it, so it left a ring here, but it was also falling off my windshield and just really frustrating and kind of unsafe because it would startle me. So I got this one, and it just has a little piece here. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. That clips on the back of the air vents, and you can kind of move it around and twist it. And it keeps your phone there really well, so your stretches. It's kind of hard for me to do with one hand, but it does stretch to open to fit here. And it's more safe, it's more secure, and it's less bulky, which I really like. So this is perfect for directions, because a lot of times when I'm trying to figure out, I don't like to be looking down, so this is nice because I can kind of see it out of the corner. So I'm really happy with this, and it has been super useful.